I'm Stacy, the chef for Pearl 2.0. I'm in town in Seattle this weekend from Chicago, and I'm cooking for a private cannabis event. It's really exciting. I'm freaking pumped for this, and I think all of our guests who are going are also really excited for this. I'm making a 4-course meal, and I wanted to briefly showcase how to make these dishes. For more information, if you're interested in these dishes, please check out my YouTube channel, Pastry Pants. Into the pot, and we're gonna scald it, meaning 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Adding some salt. This is a skin. Skin means scald. It is now hot enough. See where I'm pulling that skin? So it's about 180 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna take our cornmeal polenta. I like a nice coarse grain. I wanna make sure that it's super hot, but not boiling. We're gonna give it a good stir. The wooden spoon will not incorporate any more air into it. It might form a little bit of a brown skin. It might stick to the bottom, but that's fine. It gives it a real toasty flavor at the end, and that is like probably one of my favorite things about polenta. Get yourself a frying pan, get it nice and hot, toasty. You only need a smidge between medium and medium high. Smashed garlic, and we've got our onions here. What we're doing is sweating the onions. We don't want to brown them, we just want them to sweat a little bit. Gonna add a little bit of chili flake. Give it a little kick. Time to make the sauce. We're gonna take our onions and our garlic that's translucent with the chili flake, and we're gonna transfer it into a different pot. We have tomato puree. Crushed tomatoes. Also add tomato paste from concentrate. It adds a very rich, full tomato flavor. You don't want to use too much of it because it's very strong. A little bit of salt. Stir that in. I'm gonna add the chicken stock. This is gonna get a good simmer for about 1.5 hours. We need a cover. It's meatball time, which means got our beef, got our veal, eggs, red pepper flake, breadcrumbs, parsley, cheese, which I just freshly grated. Okay, we have all our ingredients ready to go, and we're gonna mix. So we're just gonna kind of give a little mishmash. Evenly incorporated, but I don't want to over mix. I'm doing main portions for these meatballs, so I'm gonna have a bigger scoop than you would if you wanted like smaller appetizer meatballs. meatballs here. Scoop, they're nice and cold, they're nice and chilled. Now I'm going to shape them, compact them with my hands. But they need to be tight, otherwise when we brown them later, they're gonna fall apart. We're gonna do 5 meatballs at a time so we don't overcrowd the pan. Just give them a soft little stir. You can see that's nice and brown on the bottom now.